Okay, so basically the customer has asked me to connect up this oven. So before I connected up the oven in the consumer unit, I want to have a look over here. And what I noticed before opening this up was that this cable fed from this 45 amp isolator looks like a small 1.5. So what I've now done is I've opened the switch, and this is what I found. It looks like two 1.5 cables coming out of the load side. The CPCs have been taped with what looks like duct tape. And I can see one 1.5 coming in this socket. I don't know where the other one is going. They've doubled it up, so maybe it's going, I don't know, there's nothing, can't see anything here. So I'll have to have a look and see what's going on here. Okay, so this is what they've done. They've got two 1.5 cables, whoever did this, taken one 1.5 to an earth to this socket outlet, which is plugged, the hob ignition is plugged into, and then the second 1.5 cable goes through the back behind the oven and then into the oven itself. So this has been wired in 1.5 to an earth. Again, the CPC is being taped black. As you can see, you've got this main 6mm coming through into the isolator here, and then these two running the hob ignition and the oven. So I'll have to sort this out now.